Savar's Toy View.
Welcome to Savar's Toy View. In today's vlog, whatever I will spell, my dad will buy. See? I will show you it. Here we have the numbers. We like see. Look, when I open it, like the letter, like the number 3, and there's letters. Then when I'm a pick, they're gonna wrap up and I'm gonna close my. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna pick one and let's see, and I'm gonna see which number it is, and then I will write with the letters. Look, the letters. See the letters. Yeah, so there. See, like letters. If I get 2, what I'm gonna spell like that. And now let the funny guys over here. Subscribe and comment below. Give me a big thumbs up and hit the bell icon to get all new videos notification. And now let the fun begin. And Dad, you promised me when I will spell you have to buy.
Yes, I will.
Okay, Dad. Let the fun begin.
Okay. So you're gonna be closing, yeah. Okay, so you're starting, okay. Okay, let's see which magic number you have in your hand.
What? 1? What will I do with 1?
What you think you can make with the one number? You have to pick any one letter.
R?
Oh, what you gonna buy with the R? You cannot make anything with the R. It has to be complete sentence. Then we cannot buy. So you need to be restarted again, right?
Put that number there.
Okay.
Or we can just put it back. Do you want me to put it back?
No, that's fine. You can leave these things open. Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna put this one back.
Okay.
It will be hard. I hope I don't get the number 1 again.
That's a 6.
Oh, 6. Let's do it. I'm gonna make this.
You have to be close your eyes
Oh.
and pick the numbers. Yeah. 1. Okay.
2.
Okay.
3. 4.
5.
6.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what you picked up? Let's see.
E, F, U, U, P, H, and Z.
Okay, let's see. What you gonna make with this?
Buzz. Can you buy me a buzz? Key. Can you buy me a key?
P? What is he?
I know. Can you buy me a puff? I will huff and puff your house away. I don't know what you want. Hey guys, I got the number 8, and now I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna first pick this.
Okay. So you're gonna picking the letters, okay. Make sure you close your eyes. How many you pick letters? Let me count it. Hold on. You pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to pick 2 more letters.
7, 8.
Okay. Okay, so let me see. Okay. Let's see. How many letters you picked it and
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
okay. Okay, here's the 8 letters you picked it. Okay. So let's see.
Sis.
You can make with N something.
I know. Let me show you. Tesla.
What?
Tesla. Oh no, wrong way.
That's Atlas, you make it.
Huh?
What is that?
Tesla. You're gonna have to buy me a new car.
I have to buy a new car?
Yeah, Tesla. I love Teslas. You're gonna have to buy me a car.
Why? What you that did it?
Tesla.
Tesla?
Yeah, you're gonna have to buy me a Tesla.
But why you cannot make anything else?
No.
Come on, man, that's not a toy. We are not playing, we are playing toy. We are not playing big.
Tesla.
Come
Give me a new car.
on, no.
No, give me a new car. I got it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
How you gonna make this one? Let me read again. What is that letter for?
Tesla.
Tesla. Why don't you make with another letter? You have so many letters over there. What is your hand in? P and K. Can you make something with them?
No, give me a new car.
Come on.
No, give me a new car.
Oh my God. This is so expensive game. I'm not gonna play this game.
Hey, you promised.
I promise, but this is not a promise with you, right?
Yeah?
This
You're
is.
gonna have to be buying me a new car. Give me a new car.
Oh my God.
Go to the Tesla store.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my
We're
God.
gonna buy an electricity car.
We don't need to be.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
A
Okay.
new car for me.
And I promise him you spell it and I'll buy. And he spelled Tesla and I have to buy Tesla and give him surprise. So let's go for a store and buy Tesla. Oh,
Where you been?
yeah, I've been here.
Where? I didn't see you.
Yeah, what? Yeah, okay, I want you to close your eyes. Okay, close your eyes and follow me. Close your eyes and follow me. Close your eyes and follow me. Close your eyes and follow.
thinking.
No, you don't. No, I want you to close your eyes and come to me. Yes. That's a really good boy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to turn around me, but don't open eyes yet. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Open your eye and
Wait,
look.
what is
look,
this?
look.
Wait, is this a Tesla? It's so beautiful. This is so beautiful. And I love these. Oh.
You like it?
Where's the handle? And where's the gas tank? Where is it? I don't know.
Just find out where's the handle.
Whoa! I didn't see that. Hey, how's the AC already on?
Huh? I just parked, so it's AC air conditioning is on.
This is so cool from here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I want to see the trunk. How do I open the trunk? Whoa, what's the gas tank?
Huh?
What's the gas tank?
There's no gas tank on this one.
Wait, this is electricity?
This is a new generation. Yes, it's electric city. Yeah, it's a, yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay, just slow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
This is not a gas tank.
No, it's not. Okay, hold on. Okay.
Whoa. I want to see the trunk.
You want to see the trunk?
Yeah, how do you open it?
There's so many trunks in this one. Which one you want to see? Okay. Yes, push it in below. Yeah. Yes, over there. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
It's open.
It's open. Yeah.
Whoa, there's my car seat.
Yeah. Because this is also small trunk inside.
Oh,
That's
that,
me.
and little.
Yeah, little storage trunk. Yes. I thought you needed right on that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yes.
Whoa. Okay. This is so hard to close.
It's because you are not that tall enough. Okay, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, but open it.
Okay.
This car seat's so.
Yeah.
Why? Wait, I want the engine.
You wanna see the engine? Looks like you are instructor, not my son. Okay. Okay. How do
Do
you?
I open this?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Click. Touch on that.
Whoa.
Did it?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. What? I thought that was supposed to be done.
No, there's no engine. I'm not kidding with you. Yeah.
Another?
Yeah. There's another truck. Yeah, in the front side. Okay.
Even in the front?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me.
Move it.
Okay.
Whoa, I want to go inside it somehow.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
I'm really thirsty. There's water here. Good to
Okay.
water.
Okay.
Dad, I want to ask you this. Where's the keys? How?
It
Where's
doesn't
the
have a key. It doesn't have a key.
What? It does have a key?
No.
Wait, then, are you kidding me? It doesn't have a key here?
No.
And then, wait, what does this mean? 77%.
Oh, this is all electricity. It's run with electricity. It's not a gas tank. We don't need to be go on a gas station or to fill up the gas. Yeah. It runs on a. So this is all new generation car. It's so cool car.
How do you open up this thing?
This everything is work from here, from this screen. So yeah.
Oh, how do you open this?
This is you're supposed to be open
This
from.
stuff.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Your
What
box.
are these?
These are no. You just keep these things over there.
Oh,
Yeah.
for this?
Yeah. You don't need anything. Just put it back there. Close it nicely.
Tesla.
Yeah. Close it nicely.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is this? How do you like open this? Whoa.
No, you just leave it as it is. It's nothing. It's just a small places to store small things. Okay. You wanna see one cool thing?
What?
Go back. Sit. Close your eyes. I say close your eyes. I'm watching you. I say close your eyes. You did?
Yeah.
You sure you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, who farted?
Hey, you farted!
No, I did not fart it.
What is this?
You farted.
No, what is this? I bet you did something for you. Hey, you farted! You farted!
No.
I'm so random! Hey, you farted!
You farted.
Hey, get on his side, not mine!
Okay. No, okay, let me show. Let me see. Okay, you are like a small one. You. It's really like you.
Hey, you are...
There are so many fun games there too. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay.
Hey, wait, I was...
Oh no, that's you. We'll play maybe later on. Yeah, later on. Yeah. We'll
Is
play.
there games in here?
Yeah, this one has a game too.
Wait, Dad, where's the thingies that up and down?
Oh, there is no thing here like you're talking about the like BMW like. Oh no, there's nothing. It's everything is operating from here. Yeah. No, it is operating from it. That's not for you actually right now. You just need to go to the rear end seat and sit on your booster. So yeah. But that's a navigation. It's all operating from navigation system. It's yeah.
Wait, what is this? Supercharger something like Kika?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah, this is a navigation system. Yeah, this is all. Yeah, this is a wiper sign. Yeah, it's all operate from here. You can run from here. Everything. You don't have a speedometer where you can watch your speeds and see every. Yeah, you wanna. And so, you wanna ride on it?
Yeah. Can I have a ride?
Okay, go ahead in the back. Okay.
How? There's no handle on here. And how do you drive it? Like, can this thing go autopilot?
Yeah, this thing go autopilot. Yeah, this thing is a word. Yes, it's a so many words, best features. This does safety feature does have. Yeah. So
but where do you drive it from? How do you drive it?
You drive from with steering here.
Yeah, but where do you go?
Oh yeah, you're gonna be. Oh, you are. You are talking stick. It is always ready to drive. Like either I just part. I just need to be change the stick from here in a little this tiny stick here back.
This?
Yes.
Do I press it down or
Yeah. You don't need to press it. Yeah, I have to press it. Yeah. You can't press it. Yeah. So this is but it is always like. I don't need to be start the vehicle.
Wait, it's 86 degrees out there? That's hot.
Yeah. So, okay, you want to go back?
Yeah, but how do you get out of it?
Just push that button over there. No, above one.
Oh,
That's
what's this button?
No. This one, the above one?
This?
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay. No.
Oh, it opened all by itself?
Yes. Make sure you close nicely, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
Hey guys, I'm going for a ride. Look, the roof.
You want to ride?
Yeah,
Okay,
go.
you sit over there?
Yeah, sit on my booster.
Okay. You ready? You hooked up? You tied up? Okay.
Yep. Dad, look the screen too. We're going 5 miles per hour. This is cool. Whoa, guys, look outside.
This one has no voice, nothing. You don't even figure out how far you are, how fast mileage you are going to.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, there. Oh, this is bumpy. Look at this. This is the out. You push right there. If you guys
See?
can.
There is a car in the next right to you.
Yeah.
Your part. When you're going, you're gonna see next like
On the screen.
on the screen. It tells you like if somebody is right or left side.
Can you turn the AC on a little bit higher, Dad? I'm really hot. Can you turn it on from the back?
Hold on.
Guys, this is cool. This is cool, guys. Because we just seriously get to sit in the back. The AC is so like powerful. Your hair is like going away. Oh, that's cool. That's a long AC. And see the roof. See? Well, you can see behind me too. This is all glass. This is all glass. It's not the roof. It's the glass is the roof. Hey guys, let me tell you one cool thing. See this? How do I open it? I don't know. Yeah. Open. Supercharger. where this can give? There, and then it turns like the blue. It turns blue, and it starts blinking, and then it turns green. Then that means it's charging. Let's go inside, guys. Guys, look how it's charging. See, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and bye.